describe the collaboration between realme and Game of Thrones as unique.
Mysterious.
Fire.
The collaboration is amazing.
Fantastico.
Surprising.
Right now we are in Dark Hedges here in Northern Island with realme. Nature, it's completely different to Mexico.
I was so surprised here because it's so pretty. One of the prettiest places I've ever been. We have people from Italy, we have people from Mexico, we have people from China, and everyone is so excited about the smartphone and also about Game of Thrones.
We share the same passion. I'm an architect, so I study design. Love the details that they put inside this smartphone. It's really amazing.
Specifically the color changing.
Very, very cool.